Today on Charlyboy's pulpit, Father talks about our legislooters.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Charlyboy at the pulpit. And now, the gospel according to Charlyboy.
Father, this our Irrational assembly. If you go there, wait till you go tell them, sir.
I go tell them to shut the up. My mumu don't do long time ago. Abi, your mumu never do.
our mumu don't do job.
Many of una legislooters.
Bravo them.
Una no get head o. Una be the real saboteur where we know.
No be lie.
In fact, una no like Nigeria kai. Aye.
Osilombe.
Everything now una pocket na important pass. If una like, make una de peddle on a continuous misinformation. We go let una know say you no go work again this time. Lie.
Ole we.
If to say my people know mumu, riffraff like some of una not supposed to smell that office.
yeah.
Got punished by
Bad
people.
people.
Who na they deceive? Who na won't confuse? I beg you, my fellow frustrated Nigerians, follow me ask some of these useless people some questions.
Let's go there.
The minor pension scam where Abdul Rashid minor only him pocket 195 billion naira of pensioners' money.
Kilo de na loto.
What you na do am? Even my papa late Justice Oputa, as he work for Nigeria reach, him no collect him pension for 10 months before him die, along with millions of aged Nigerians who died waiting for their pension, where only one man chop.
Ayemale o.
Waiting happen for the matter. Wasn't it the matter where one of these legislooters only collect a bribe of 3 billion naira?
What?
What was the end result of that investigation? Nothing upon nothing.
What's wrong? What nonsense? This is nonsense. Man, this guy is the best person.
Okay, let's go there.
Oh yeah. Nah.
Legislooters. The Stella Odua matter. What did happen?
Chop and clean mouth.
The missing 20 billion naira oil money. What did happen?
Chop and clean mouth.
15 million jet and arms scandal, unko.
Chop and mouth.
Abamoro immigration scandal. How far?
Chop and clean mouth.
So for all this investigation, we una do. No one una conclude.
Yeah, people.
No one was even penalized. She una follow chop the money.
Not today.
Collecting $620,000 out of a $3 million bribe. Chineke me. Yet too, he was sitting on the board investigating the choppers and who was chopping. All these matters were matters before our legislators. We're supposed to investigate and sanction the guilty ones. But what became of them? Nothing. Because most of you motherfuckers compromised. What did make a yarn? Our mumu don't do job.
He don't do.
This is Charlie, and I'm just tripping on the pulpit like a son of a gun.
Twitter? What are you tweeting?
Tweet at AreaFather1, spelled AreaFada, numerical 1.
Just follow me here.
Tweet it. Tweeting it. Twitter. Tweeting.
For more on Charlyboy and what he's up to and what he's into, visit the website www.charlyboy.me or email areafather1@yahoo.com, spelled AreaFada, numerical 1 @yahoo.com. On Instagram, you can follow Charlyboy at AreaFather1, spelled AreaFada, numerical 1. The Area Father, Charlyboy.